Did you know that the idea for waterproof mascara dates back almost a century? It's a story born out of necessity and a desire for makeup that could withstand anything. Back in the early 20th century, mascara was often a messy affair. Women used cake mascara, a small block of pigment that you'd wet with a brush. It was fine for a calm evening, but tears, rain, or even a humid day could spell disaster, leading to smudgy, running streaks. The concept of a more durable mascara began to take shape in the late 1930s. A woman named Helene Wertheller Winterstein, an Austrian singer, was frustrated with her stage makeup smudging under the hot lights and during emotional performances. She patented a waterproof formula in 1938. However, her early version contained turpentine, which was not exactly ideal for the delicate eye area and caused allergic reactions in many, so the product didn't gain widespread popularity. It was until the 1950s that the idea was revisited and perfected by beauty pioneers like Helena Rutt. She launched a waterproof mascara that was much safer and more effective. This innovation was a game changer. Suddenly, makeup wasn't just about looking good in a controlled environment. It was about living your life without worrying about your look falling apart. This perfectly aligned with the post-war era, where women were leading more active lives, working, and engaging in sports. Think about the iconic looks of the 1960s, the bold, defined lashes of Twiggy. That level of lash definition needed a formula that could hold its own. Waterproof mascara made it possible to create those dramatic, doll-like eyes that wouldn't budge. It wasn't just about preventing smudges anymore. It was about achieving a specific aesthetic and holding it for hours. The formulas evolved, moving away from harsh solvents to wax-based and polymer-based ingredients that coated each lash, creating a protective, water-resistant film. This evolution in formulation also changed how makeup was applied and how it framed the face. Before, mascara was often a final, delicate touch. With waterproof formulas, it became a foundational element of an eye look. You could build up layers for incredible volume and length without the fear of clumping or flaking. This allowed for more creativity. A well-defined lash line opens up the eyes, making them appear larger and more expressive. Depending on your face shape, this can create balance. For someone with a rounder face, emphasizing the eyes can draw attention upward, creating a more lifted appearance. For those with more angular features, long fanned-out lashes can add a touch of softness. The waterproof mascara of today is a marvel of cosmetic science. We have tubing formulas that create tiny, water-resistant tubes around each lash, which slide off easily with warm water and gentle pressure, eliminating the need for harsh makeup removal. There are fiber-infused formulas that add instant length and volume, mimicking the look of false lashes. These modern mascaras don't just resist water, they also stand up to sweat, humidity, and the natural oils on our skin. This long wear capability means your makeup fits your life, not the other way around. You can go from a day at the office to a workout and then out for dinner, all without needing a major touch-up. It gives a sense of confidence. You're not constantly checking a mirror for raccoon eyes. This reliability has made waterproof mascara a staple in every makeup artist S-kit and every beauty lover S-bag. It's perfect for weddings, emotional movie nights, beach vacations, or just a long, busy day. It ensures that your carefully applied makeup enhances your features consistently from morning to night. So, the next time you swipe on that coat of waterproof mascara, remember its history. It's not just a cosmetic. It's a piece of innovation born from a desire for beauty that endures. It's a tool that empowers us to look and feel our best, no matter what the day throws at us, ensuring our makeup always complements our natural features without fail. The longevity it provides is what allows the makeup to truly become a part of your look, seamlessly fitting your face and your lifestyle for hours on end.